Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW guys 5 Series and we'll show you how to remove and how to replace guys key fob battery. If your key fob battery is dead, we'll show you guys how to remove and replace it. Now, quick introduction guys, this should work on BMW 5 Series generation F07, F10, F11 and F18 now. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW right here guys, we make at least 200 to 300 videos. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free and providing these videos to you for free guys. Now, all we need in return, if you find the information helpful, subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Another thing, if you need to buy a replacement battery or key fob case, we'll have guys the links in the description of the video below for your convenience so you can see where you can get them from. This is the key style that I'm talking about and we'll show you guys okay what needs to be done to remove and replace that key fob battery now. The procedure is not very complicated. This is a 2013 5 Series guys, so we'll demonstrate on this one. Let me show you now okay what we'll be doing here. Okay, we need to hold it from right here, perfect, so you can see with a great detail how we are doing things. We're going to go ahead guys, okay, and pull that key out by pressing that button in. Now make sure you stay until the end because I want to share guys something that we're doing here that can save you thousands of dollars on a BMW repair, so make sure you stay until the end guys. Now right here, okay, we're going to go ahead, there is one clip, okay, open it, okay, and the key fob case comes loose, that cover. Now what do we need to do here guys? Okay, go ahead, okay, and pry that battery out, okay, like that. So get the battery out and now we'll get the new one. If you need to find the link in the description of the video guys, of the description of the video below, check it out where you can get the replacement battery. Push it in, okay, install it like that, and after that guys, okay, close it. Hear that click now? Okay, perfect. Now what else we need to do? Grab the key guys and insert it. Now let me show you guys a common problem with those with these BMWs. Perfect. This guys is the four-cylinder gasoline twin turbo engine guys, 87,000 miles on the car. It developed the timing chain failure and this is not the first one to do that guys. Some ears are affected and it's terrible guys. Okay, this is the timing chain guide pieces that you can find in the oil pan. Fortunately guys, I think we saved our engine, but if you have one, I'll definitely guys recommend it just to go ahead and do the timing chain preventative maintenance so you don't have to buy a new engine guys. Video will be on the channel, Auto Repair guys, check it out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.